Be careful. Oh, man. Whatever, she's happy. Oh, that's so funny. We're gonna get in trouble.
Oh, here they come. They're bringing in the helicopter.
You're right. That's so cool, though.
Here, swim some more.
Swim under it. It's like Jungle Rapids.
Yeah, swim under it.
Yeah, screw Jungle Rapids. We'll just come here from now on. It's a lazy river, Kira.
Swim under it. Go.
Be careful. You can do it. Go ahead. Good job. Whoa. A little dead bird. It's not warm at all, Kira. Huh? It's not.
You gotta think it's only 2 feet deep.
No, it's cold. Feel it. I guess we'll do it until we get in trouble. Be careful. Was this fun? Whoa, don't splash!